After heavy floods in Afghanistan, which killed nearly 300 people, farmers were left hopeless as the agricultural land was filled with flood sediments. The farmers said that the real challenge for them is now to decide what crop their family can grow to go forward in their life. Local authorities said that the relief efforts were being made to meet the needs of the affected population and called for international help, saying thousands of homes have been damaged and livestock washed away or killed. Aid groups have warned of damage to healthcare facilities and vital infrastructure such as water supply.
دیگه علمی زمینای ما سرمیج این داشتیم میوا کلش زمین و زراعت و این گو همش اینا از ماست نه کلش تخریب شده از بین رفته دیگه که اجرای امکان و جور کردن نجات نیست که چی رقم بکنی چی حال بکنی